Yo, it's raining in one spot.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. It's nothing in the air.
Hold up. Is it really? No. Yo, there's nothing up there. Yo, look, it's literally raining in one spot. Look.
Well, let me go stand under it for good
There's
luck.
no rain nowhere else but right here. And it's rain because it smells like rain. Like you can smell it. It smells like rain. Like what? And then what's even weirder is this car is sitting here with the lights on. Nobody's inside. And the lights are blinking. Whoa. Like what? This is just baffling. Anybody know what's going on here? Let me know. Everybody's just like genuinely confused. It's not raining over here, but it's raining right there. I'm so confused.